Alright, just taking a quick drive here on Davis-Monthan Air Force Base. And sorry about the shaky video, but I wanted to show you the boneyard. All these aircraft that come here to retire. They've got Army, Navy, Marine, and Air Force all around here. Pretty impressive. This is just a small portion of it. The GPS took me on the wrong track. Yeah, this is the Pima Air and Space Museum, Tucson, Arizona, Davis-Monthan Air Force Base. And this isn't the boneyard, this is the museum. But oh my goodness, there's a ton of aircraft here. And I should have came here earlier. Around the Air Force bases where they have all the mothballed boneyard aircraft. Drove around there several times, went on base and checked things out. Unfreaking believable amount of aircraft here. Wow. Nice day, 60s, cloudy.